Java is almost 30 years old, and yet most Fortune 500 companies still run on it. Every year someone says Java is dead. Too verbose, too old, too boring. But here's the uncomfortable truth. In 2025, Java is still one of the most in-demand back-end languages. All right, but what about jobs? In 2025 and moving into 2026, Java remains one of the most in-demand back-end languages worldwide. In the United States, Java developers average between $90,000 and $114,000 annually. Senior roles often go higher. Globally, Java consistently ranks as one of the highest-paying back-end skills. So no, Java jobs are not disappearing. Netflix, Amazon, banks, telecoms, these are the giants running on Java, and they're not switching anytime soon.
Enterprise software values stability over hype. Yes, people still call Java verbose. But in 2025, that argument belongs in the past. Java survives because it evolves. Without breaking what already works, that's why enterprises still trust it at massive scale. So, is Java worth it in 2026? If you want job stability, enterprise scale, and long-term demand. Trends change, production systems don't.